Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem while you're trying to access a folder but it says access is denied. So how to fix your problem? I've got a fix for this. So let's get started. First, right click on your folder and then open properties. After that, go over to security tab and then click on advanced. Then click on change and then click on advanced again. In this, click on find now and search your username which is currently logged in your system. Once you find your username, just click on this and then click on OK, then click on OK again. Then check this box, replace owner. Just check this box and then check this box again. This one as well. Once you check these both boxes, click apply, OK, yes, and then restart your PC. Try to access the folder again and hopefully the folder opens. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.